Hi YouTube friends, welcome. Join me because today we are going to be protecting our iPhone cable using snake knots. Start by finding the center of your piece of paracord and then lay your cable over the top of that center part, and we're going to start off by tying a cobra knot. So we'll do that by taking that left strand across the cable, the right strand over that, and then I'm going to take that behind and up through that left loop. And then just tighten that down. Once we've attached our paracord, we can start tying snake knots, and the way I'm going to do that is just to take this left strand over the right and then all the way around the back again. Then I'm going to take this right strand up and towards the left. And I can take the end and dive that down through the lower loop. And then when we tighten it up, just tighten it right against our first knot. And then we can tie another one. Take the left strand right around. Take the right strand up and then down through that right loop. And we can tie another one. Take the left strand right around. That right strand up, around, down through that right loop. And each knot you tie, just make sure it sits nice and tight up against the previous knot. And you can keep tying those snake knots until you get to the desired length. You can do just a short section to protect the ends, or you could do the full length of your phone cable. Once you've made it to the end, you just need to cut and singe off these excess pieces. So just cut them off with a pair of scissors and then singe them off with a lighter, and just be careful when you're singeing the paracord that you don't damage your iPhone cable. So that's one, and it's the second one. So there you are. Your cable is now protected. If you like this kind of thing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because here we talk about both decorative and functional knots. Thanks for watching. I like you all, and I will see you on the next video.